Back again, dude. What's happening, man? How you doing, bro? Just putting some laser beams for the Lexus. Man, this guy right here, dude. Look at this man. Look at this man's projects over here. Sheesh. This is from his truck, because he has a Dodge over there. This guy's big baller. This guy baller, dude. Man.
This whole.
What we got going on?
Shocks.
Man, these are universal shocks.
Yeah.
Nice. Damn, boy. Got the Heim joints for the 4-link. Hell yeah, dude. Great build. I'd rather have a Honda motor in there though, but hey, to each their own. You want to put a Honda motor in there, Doug?
Yeah, I got one.
I mean a K24 turbo with a K20 head. You know, shit, way better. Hey, this man's super talented. Dean the man. Making clearance, dude. Oh shit. Look at these tires or wheels, dude. Next to some 34s. Oh my god. Look at this. Look at this guy. What's this guy thinking? God damn, boy. Sheesh. No way I could stop it. Let's go. About to put some 40s on the Lexus. Yes, sir. Trying to find center. You know, the third one would be way better. Like 3 like Chase. Oh, man. Ooh, we got the LP9 Pro. Look at this man, dude. Oh, my God. Yo. So Dean's gonna take this to the Rubicon all summer, man. He said he's gonna take me up there, right? Oh hell yeah, dude. Not in that though. We gonna take the CRV. We gonna take the CRV up there. All right, catch me in the Rubicon with the CRV. Sheesh. This jack looks too heavy, dude. Madness. Just comes out like that. Hey, so don't judge. We haven't painted this bumper yet. Lazy. It's cold outside. If we try to paint something, it's gonna be dookie anyways. So we're just gonna send it. Oh man, dude, if your wheel fitment ain't like that though, sheesh. And we're pretty center. We're about 6.5 inch from center. And this guy magic. Now he gotta lay them beads down. Hey, you need to put some lights on the CRV, dude. I don't know if we should put some, but you're putting a blanket on the car though. Let's go. Man, look at Dean, boy. Sheesh. Yes, sir. Dean got it welded up for me. Huge shout out to Dean, DMT Tahoe. I love this man, dude. This guy is a man with talent. So. He got this nice Jeep over here. Right-hand drive, too. But yeah, I just got to wire it up sometime this week. I'm kind of busy, but whenever I get the chance, I'll work on it. Look at that, right-hand drive Jeep. That's dope. Alright, man. Thanks for the hookup. Dude, appreciate you, dude. You gotta take me out. You gotta, I gotta break my cherry, pop my cherry. Gotta go to the Rubicon one day. One day. Man, this guy is stacked. This guy is stacked, man. Sheesh. Alright, welcome back, y'all. So I actually bought the harness for this LP9s, and yeah, it's gonna be a straight forward install. I'm probably just gonna use some of these wirings because I'll just use the actual switch panel to control these lights. But yeah, let's get it. But if you guys have the actual harness for this, all you have to do is just put the power and the negative, and you're set. And of course, your daytime running light. But for me, I'm gonna do it a little different. I'm not gonna be running that switch because I have a switch panel inside the car anyways, so I'll just wire it up to that one. But I like to test out the lights first, make sure they work. I mean, Baja Designs, if you have to pay for this much, of course it has to be perfect. But, just a peace of mind, I like to check before I, tuck all the wires. But here's your daytime running light, your DRL. That. But yeah, that one's just for, daytime running light. You could just tap it into your factory DRL. Now we could do the switch. That's low beam, back to neutral, and to high beam. Right there, a lot of light. We can turn on the sun at night. Woo. Just cut it what I needed because I'll be putting it to my aux beams right here so I can control it. And yeah, here's what's left with the harness. I'm not gonna need it, so I'm just gonna keep it though, just extra wiring for the future. All right, she is done and wired up. You can see it's tucked all along the back of the bumper. And I didn't bother doing the DRL yet because I need to get a fuse tab so I can do it on the actual fuse box itself. But this is the low beams. And this is the high beams. Oh man. Sheesh. Sun, The rock guards are in. Check the clearance out. Appreciate it, Dean. Very good job with this. Thank you, Dean. I am planning to get some rock guards for these as well, but I have to wait. It's a little expensive. It's not like I'm gonna be using these all the time. That's why I want to put a rock guard on them. But yeah, she's looking good. So it's Valentine's Day today. I'm single, so I'm still gonna go out and eat though, get some fun, It's a little cold today, so yeah, I want some fun. So fuck you, bitch. I just got here and I talked to the lady and she said it's like a 45-minute wait. I'm like, oh my god, look at all these people just sitting waiting. They're waiting to get in. But god dang, come on, Valentine's Day. Now I gotta get some burritos or something. I love me some burritos. Got to the taco spot, but I ordered for pickup because the wait time is also long as shit. What's up with all these people eating out on Valentine's Day, man? Come on, man. So I'm at my storage unit. I don't want to take it out in the mountains today anyways because it's getting late, but I want to show you guys a little night preview of these lights right here for now. That's dumb.
So dumb. You are really dumb. For real.
Oh well, it's a rock guard anyways. Alright, so we're gonna try these low beams first. Pew! Got the low beams. Look at those. Oh, even the low beams are nice and bright, yo. Look at that nice range it has. Alright, now we're gonna try the high beams out. Yeah, take these low beams. Nice. Ooh, look at that focus laser beam right there. You can definitely see it. Nice wide range. Man, I wish I had a drone so you guys could see the top view. But it looks so nice, yo. Look at that. The high beams of the LP9 Pros. Sheesh. Look at that light output. Might have to angle it up just a little bit more, but right now it looks very good. Oh, I want to mess around and turn on all the lights. I'm gonna turn on all the lights. I'm gonna put on the white lights. I'm gonna put on the fog lights. I'll put on the light bar, the cubes, the underglow, the side, the afts. Oh, that's right. There you go. We got the sun at night. Look at that. Oh, yes. Sheesh. That output. Turn this whole place nice and bright. Yeah, man. Appreciate you guys watching. If you enjoyed that little quick install, I mean, it was very straightforward. All I had to do was just plug stuff and put it in my actual fuse box. But yeah, super wild. It's been about a week and I actually wired up the DRL just for the hell of it. It's wired up to my parking lights. I don't want to wire it to the actual turn signal / turn signal because it'll be blinking too. But yeah, that's alright. It's not bad. Gives it a little look. Hell yeah.